Okay, welcome back everyone. Before I get started, I just want to give a little background on why I'm doing the Centerfoldz premiere issue again. My first magazine, I had bought 3 at the same time, so when I received them, I didn't even look through all of them. I just looked through the first one that I got, and the first one that I got had white, blank pages inside, and so the first video did have blank pages, but I thought it was supposed to come like that, but I was so naive that I thought it was going to be like that, but it's not supposed to, because then I opened the other ones months later, and then it turns out that the Centerfoldz magazines aren't supposed to have any blank pages inside. So if you're also rewatching this video, you probably remember that my first video had blank pages. But so what I did was I contacted the Centerfoldz Instagram, and I reached out to them, and they had agreed to send me a new magazine as long as I returned the faulty one. And so that's what I did. I returned the faulty one, but I think the creator of Centerfoldz magazine is 2 tons, and he had recently suffered a stroke within these past few months, and so he hasn't been able to send me the new issue. I've sold my other 2 issues. So I had 3 in total. I sent the one that had errors. I sent that one back to 2 tons, and the other 2 Centerfoldz magazines that I had, I sold one of them, and I'm planning on selling this one as well because I'm supposed to have my own. But hopefully 2 tons recovers and is able to produce more Centerfoldz, because Centerfoldz is a really cool magazine. But yeah, so respect to him and warm wishes to him, and hope he gets better. But for now, let's redo this magazine and see how it's supposed to really look like. And I think in the original magazine, these 2 pages were white in the first video. Oh yeah, so here, 16 Years of Chasing a Dream, and Editor-in-Chief, Beto Mendoza, 2 ton. And compared to the lowrider magazines, these magazines are a lot wider, and the pages are really thick, they're really heavy, which I think is a plus, because you can definitely feel the quality in the paper. This is a really nice picture. And another difference between Centerfoldz and the lowrider magazine is the Centerfoldz magazine, I believe, has like 1 or 2 ads in the whole thing, and you're not gonna see like a page dedicated to rims or a page dedicated to wheels, and that's like, oh, for sale, and like, nah, it's pure cars, interviews with the people, with the families, with the models, but airbrush artists. And so for me, well, I like different. I like that every magazine can be different, original in their own way. And yeah, this is really nice. You can tell the car scraping the floor on the back, and it's a little bit raised in the front. Man, cherry poppin'. And here's all the info that you want to know about the car. The original model, the vehicle's name, Mi 42, my 42, by Jimmy, San Jose, Viejitos Car Club, you know, all that good stuff. And I really like how they put an emphasis on the people behind the vehicles, which maybe in a lowrider magazine you won't find that. You will only find the model and the car, but not the actual people behind the build or the owners. So that's also another cool difference. And you know, lowrider magazine is no longer in print, so if you're looking for to start a new collection, Centerfoldz is definitely the way to go. You know, I've seen so many magazines, and I really like the way it's laid out. The pictures are huge, you know, so it feels like the cards are in your face. It feels like you're actually there, and it has enough space for text or articles or information about the people and the cars. And you know, something like this, the pictures in lowrider magazine get tiny towards the later years, you know. Damn, how bomb is that, dude? This is the cover model. The cover car. I think this is painted on the back, on the trunk. Or is it painted on the hood? Clique Magazine. El Villano. The Villain. From Unique's Car Club. Damn. Freaking badass. The freaking girl in the front. That's like some kind of like... Man, this is like some hovercraft kind of stuff, man. The Felix. Freaking sick. Damn. I like even the color. The color's what gets me, and like it's like super bright red, like medium red, and then the shadows. Damn. That looks freaking sick. And the soldaderas in the middle, in the wheel, that looks freaking sick. How the wheel just like kind of encapsulates them or encircles them. Man, beautiful work of art. Freaking sick. City State, Cathedral City, California. Damn, only in California, dude. Chetos, dog. Coast 1 Street Scene Mural Extraordinaire. My personal favorite is pearls. When the sun is setting, the pearls start glowing. Hell yeah. Freaking airbrush artist, lowrider artist, muralist. Damn, this how this gets down. All those intricate designs made with tape. These are really nice pics. I think they were just a lowrider show at the Long Beach Convention Center. It would be cool if I don't know if Centerfoldz was there, but that'd be pretty cool if they had a booth with all their models and some of the cars that they feature in their magazine. Chetos. God damn, dude. Freaking leather seats. Probably get all sticky during the summertime. Freaking gangster car, dude. God damn. The women from Centerfoldz magazines they look really nice too. You can't forget about that. You know, each car has its personality, and I think it's pretty cool that they find a chick that matches the car's personality. Novato. It says right here it's a Cadillac Fleetwood, 1985, nicknamed Jealousy. Owner Switchman from Compton. Individuals Car Club. Charlie Holmes. East Bay 68. Damn. Chevy Impala Custom. Another gangster car. I forgot what it's called when the whole seat is like, it's like one bench seats. Damn, that chick has fat ass lips. From Manteca, California. House of Kings. By Beto Mendoza. That looks like freaking cool pic. I wonder where that's at. LA maybe? Kaiser Permanente in the background. Freaking car looks like it's glowing. 75 Casa. I went to the lowrider convention one time and they had a lowrider that looked like the paint was glowing. And I think the guy told me that it was his dad's car and his car, the paint job alone costed $40,000, I think. Generations Chavez. Chavez or no Chavez? Cool, his sons have cars too. Nice. I wonder how it feels like to be born into a lowrider family. Looks pretty cool though. Karma 64. Her name better be Carmen. The car's called Karma. Wait a minute. Is she an FB County model? I think she is. Sick ass photo shoot at the beach. Which is San Diego? Oceanside. I was close. Roberto Morales, Karma 64, Chevrolet Impala, SS convertible. Freaking love the convertibles, dude. And with the red seats. Straight out Sin City. The G Body Runner. I was looking for the car. I'm like, where the hell's the car? And the freaking chick's right in front of me. I'm like, get out the way. Sick. Freaking bouncing in front of the mountain ranges. Sick ass flick. It was freaking sick, dude. The car's blending in with the sky and the street, and you can only see its lights. Mrs. Lisa. I think that's the car's name, not the model's name. The owner's Jacob Dominguez Sr. And yep, I think that's the dude that's gonna buy the magazine from me on Saturday. I think I'll post this video on Saturday then, because tomorrow, Friday, I have a video coming out. I think Artesano magazine, or I think we just finished with Ink from the Pen, so we're gonna start an Artesano magazine, and this will have come out by Saturday. That way you get one video on Friday and one video on Saturday. Fulton Street Takeover. Majestic's 9th annual barbecue. Cool. If you've ever been to a car hop contest, those things will change your life. And that's it. Like I said, one ad. I feel like this page is about an ad. And that's it. Boom. Puro badass. And that's it. Or is this just the beginning? But anyways, hope you like Centerfoldz magazine. I really liked it. Go to their website, buy some of their magazines. Hopefully Beto Mendoza gets better and he gets to produce more mags. But anyways, peace out. Thanks for watching.